Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change Mini Cooper brakes. First, gather your essential tools, including a reliable jack, 2 sturdy jack stands, and a lug wrench. Make sure you have your new brake pads, rotors, and some caliper grease ready. Always prioritize safety by wearing protective gloves and eye protection. Work on a flat, stable surface, and remember to engage your parking brake before you begin. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe process. To begin, loosen the lug nuts on your wheel before you even think about lifting the vehicle. Once loosened, use your jack to carefully raise the Mini Cooper. Crucially, secure the car on 2 sturdy jack stands for absolute safety. Never rely solely on the jack. Next, remove the caliper bolts, typically 2 of them, and gently slide the entire caliper assembly off. Finally, take out the old brake pads and then the worn brake rotor. Now, let's install the new components. First, thoroughly clean the hub assembly using a wire brush to remove any rust or debris. Apply a very thin layer of anti-seize compound to the hub surface to prevent future corrosion. Carefully mount the new brake rotor onto the hub and ensure it sits flush. Next, install the new brake pads into the caliper bracket. Finally, use a specialized caliper piston compression tool to gently push the piston back into the caliper body, making space for the thicker new pads. For the final steps, carefully reinstall the brake caliper over the new pads and rotor, tightening its 2 bolts securely. Mount the wheel back onto the hub, hand tightening the lug nuts initially. Lower the vehicle completely to the ground, then fully tighten all lug nuts in a star pattern to about 88 foot-pounds of torque. Before driving, pump the brake pedal several times to restore proper pressure. Finally, perform a gentle test drive to ensure everything functions perfectly and safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.